All right, guys, here we go. We're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin dominance and determine, where potential resistance is and how and when the altcoins will explode after that. And we're looking at the weekly chart of the dominance because it slows everything down, gives you more a better perspective of the breakouts, breakdowns, candle formations, patterns, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. As you can see, we were in this potential bull flag pattern here, and we did break out. The extended move of the flag pole was about 8.84%, and then you put that measure move here on the breakout, which takes us up to coincidentally about that 84, 40, better not be 84%, 48% dominance alongside this high pivot. So we have two factors here. And if you have two or more factors, that gives you an 83 to 87% probability that your thesis will work out regarding the price movement, which means this should be, temporary or at least near-term resistance. And we should get a little pullback, which will accelerate, the altcoins to the upside. And how they play it, the bulls get on the Pony Express, Bitcoin, ride it until that horse collapse, and then they get on the Pony Express or the altcoins and run them up. And that's what they do. They just run Bitcoin, take profits, run the altcoins, take profits, and that's how a bull market works in crypto. And then if we look at the total two, the reason why I like looking at it, it excludes Bitcoin, okay? And as you can see, we were in this descending wedge formation, and just as important, well, we broke out it normally, and this is how you do it. One of two way. One, you travel sideways and then break out, or where this big red candle is, you'll get a green candle to the upside like that. But obviously that didn't happen. FTX came in and then consolidated, to where we are now, broke out. Well, not now because several weeks ago, but did break out. And I might mention a little off topic here, but a very key point, very important structure here when you have the 20 weekly, and it can be, quite frankly, on the daily chart, 2 minute chart, day, 4 hour chart, whatever. When you have the 20 and the 200 that come together 100% of the time, not 99, not 98, 100% of the time, price is going to move one of two ways. Obviously, it's going to go to the upside, and the 20 is going to follow price, to the upside far and away from the 200, or obviously price is going to, fall to the downside, and the 20 is going to cross under the 200 and travel far and away uh, from the 200. Okay, so that's right now looking, more bullish than bearish, as we had this big candle last week that was bought up. All that was red at one time. And, it had several factors. We had the, low pivot over here, the blue dash line of support. We had the 20 and the 200, very, very strong support levels. And as you can see, even going back to 2020, see how the 20 was trading in and around the 200. Of course, we had the COVID slam down, and then we consolidated. And then as you can see, what we've been talking about, price came up, the 20 follows the price far and away from the 200. And then once it gets far and away from the 200, what do? You start watching for, retracement, a pull back to the 200. Okay. Now that's, little, uh, probably more you want to know, but as you can see, we're getting ready to set up for something big. That's all that I can say. And right here is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's just, many of all the other smaller, altcoins, consolidation here. We really need to break above that red dash line. We have one, really, if you go, this is a little higher over here, but one, two, three. Let me pull that back over here so your eyes can see it better. See, one, two, three hits of that resistance line. But once we break over it, hopefully this time, as we did right here, as you can see, broke over, came back in, then, obviously here we are. We can break all that, close, go ahead and explode to the upside, meaning the more money you get in here, the higher, the stronger, the faster, your altcoin's going to go. And I'll put this on the table. If you go to any if any weekly chart, if you go to any altcoin you're holding, okay, pull up the weekly chart. That weekly chart should look very close to, if not the same as this total crypto total market cap 3, okay, total 3 here, all right? And if it does, then that means your altcoin is one of the, the better ones, one of the ones that's getting a lot of attention, people coming in, investing, so on and so forth, okay? So that's a little trick as well. It should be trading very, very much similarly to, if not lockstep, to this total 3, okay? But all right, guys, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh yeah, another big deal. Okay, Bitcoin dominance on the daily. When you, let me take all this off so you're not. Anyway, when Bitcoin dominance starts turning red, okay, and Bitcoin is green, okay, so opposite, green Bitcoin, red dominance, okay, that's when your altcoins start igniting, blowing up to the upside, okay, so that's a little trick you need to, watch for and pay attention to. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Follow us on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.